Dear children, today we will take a chance to make revision for the first semester. We have to do revision because the first semester is already nearing. So let us coming to the lesson 1. Lesson 1. Lesson 1, whichever the question, one sentences each. Only those we will revise. One sentences each means a question and the answer one sentence. Full stop. When the one sentence ends, full stop. That is called one sentences each. So this kind of question answers you have to study at least 15 of them. 15. That is less only. So I will make you easy to learn for you. Coming to the first lesson, Pippi Longstocking. In that question, answer the following. Page number 14. Answer the following. Question 1. What was the name of Pippi's house? That is the question 1. Then B is longer. That is 2 sentences. So will not touch. C also we will not touch. Coming to the D. D, that is one sentence. So that also you have to study. D. Then next is F. F. Okay. Next is F. Okay. After that comes next one is H. H. Okay. Then those are the questions you have to study. One sentences each you revise. Understood now? Now listen to me. First I told A, then I repeat again, then D, then F, then H, then this many are belong to the category of one sentences each. One sentences each. Now that you study. Coming to the second lesson. Coming to the second lesson. That is poem. Actually that is poem. So in that you have to study the poem. Author of this poet. Who is the poet of this poem? A Night in June. Who is the poet of this poem? You have to learn the spellings of William Wordsworth nicely. Each poem you have to learn the poet. Now in that question answer, A, one sentence each, B, then C. A, B, C. These are all one sentences each. So these are belong to the one sentences each. Also E there. A, B, C, E. Only this many belong to the one sentence each category. So you study them. Okay. I'll make you easy to learn for you. So that you haven't struggled. I am making you so easy. Which means you remember to study also. Now. Coming to the next lesson. That is lesson 2. Lesson 2. And Pip meets a convict. Now one sentence each in that. Let us search now. Open the textbook as well as your notebook. In that A. What was Pip's full name? A. Then category D. A, D. Then comes I think one sentences each, only 2 are there. A and D. Okay, rest all long ones. A, D and B also. A, B, D you study. A, B, D. Okay, one sentences category. That is the okay. Then comes to the next lesson or poem. Okay, in this poem you have to learn this poem. As I told you, the portion of as I told you, the poem, you have to see the portion, which paragraphs I told you study, those paragraphs only you have to study, rest no need. Okay, which paragraph you see there, afterwards don't say ma'am you told this, you told that. Nicely see in the portion part of PC. I send the PDF portion part of PTC. Here also you learn the poet's name. Here also you have to learn the poet's name. Then coming to the question answers in the this poem, storyteller, this poem, you have to learn A, B, C, D. These are all one sentences each. A, B, C, D and D. E also is there. Yes, A, B, C, D, E. These are all one sentences that you study. Okay. Now coming to the Nancy and 5. So that lesson. Coming to the Nancy and 5. In this you have to study B, D, then E, F, G. Okay, one sentences each. Nancy and 5. I told you B, D, E, F, G, that way. Okay, you have to study G, H also one sentences each. H also you have to study. Not others not studying. Others are all 2 sentences each. These many you have to study. Coming to the leisure poem, you have to by heart this poem and learn the poet's name. You have to learn by heart this poem. Compulsorily you have to by heart. I am not saying the question paper for you, but I am telling you, I already said the portion which are the poems you have to learn by heart. I already said. Nicely I told you all. Okay. Now in this question answers in this poem, A, then down one, no need. A and B only, that much is study. A and B, that is all. One sentences each. Okay. Now I told you lesson 1 to 5, isn't it? 1 to 5. Now in this you have to study Eidgah. Lesson Eidgah you take out. Eidgah. Now lesson 5, don't bother, I have not done that lesson. You don't go for it. Don't worry also about it. Don't say ma'am you have not done. 100 times. That lesson I am not going to do. Afterwards I will do. Now whatever I have done, that is study. Now in this Eidgah lesson, A, B, then E, one sentences each. A, B, E. These are the and H. A, B, E, H. Again I am telling you A, B, E and H. Okay, over. Now coming to the what is that? Railway, from a railway carriage. First paragraph only learn by heart. Only first paragraph. Okay, poem. Only first paragraph. And questions answers all A, B, C, D. All A, B, C, D you have to study. All A, B, C, D you have to study. Question answers. Okay. All A, B, C, D you have to study. That's all. So children, you have to revise this nicely. Again and again learn those whichever I have told you just now. That is the revision for today. Before sleeping you have to finish up this revision. Understood? Because since I don't have online class today, so I have to send you revision. So this is the way I am sending, and you learn accordingly whatever I send. Okay, thank you and God bless you. Keep yourself safe. Have a nice day and do the revision well, so you can write for the exam nicely.